We're at Whistling Woods International with a live audience of acting students, and I have with me Vidya Balan, who is playing Ma to one of the most famous Pas in India. But yes, it took a bit of convincing for you to do this role.
It did. I've never felt maternal in all these years of my existence, as in I don't even get along with kids. Kid actually walked up to me. I'm very scared because kids wail when they come into my arms and it's embarrassing, which is why one is playing mother to a kid, the second is playing mother to a 13-year-old kid. At least with a small kid, you can cuddle, you can kiss, you can hug, you can pinch. You can
pinch a little infant. Okay, you are totally not material.
I'm kidding.
But she's so innocent. Is she kidding? I think she was thinking, oh, I could pinch a baby.
No, but I'm just saying, I was wondering how I'm going to actually express unconditional love or all-consuming love for this child. So I was really worried. That was a huge...
And then the child happens to be Mr. Bachchan, which
precisely,
is a whole other...
which compounds the situation all the more. So, you know, then how do you, if I had to just, bring it, honey, hit you like that, if it's a Mr. Bachchan, how are you going to do it?
Because you said you have no inhibitions, you're shameless.
No, but you know, it's just, I was just a little concerned. You're also worried about, you know, at such an early stage of my career, should I be playing mother to a 13-year-old? So
do those things actually matter in this day and age of cinema going all over the place and different kinds of genres coming out? Those concerns still...
if it was just playing a mother, I think it wouldn't have been so daunting. But the fact that it's a 13-year-old, finally I think the clincher, of course, was Balki's conviction, because he was actually attempting the unthinkable. You know, I don't think anyone had imagined in their wildest dreams of a situation like this. So he was attempting that, and yet there was not an iota of doubt in that man. He told me, he said, I've written the film with 3 people in mind, Mr. Bachchan, Abhishek and you. If one of you says no, I will not make the film. And that's what an actor wants to hear, honestly. We're all vain at the end of the day.